Sarah started making this commercial 9 years ago. Gerber helped her learn to like fruits and vegetables very early. And the lessons continued and continued. So today she's choosing healthy foods over other snacks. Research studies show healthy eating habits are learned early. And with Gerber, it's easy. Just 2.5 jars equals the 5 a day of fruits and veggies we should all be getting, just like Sarah. Shouldn't your baby still be a Gerber baby?
Get your Halloween going with the light, crispy, chocolatey taste of a Kit Kat.
Gain. The smell says clean.
I want to be as big as a mountain. A giant.
All kids want to grow up big and strong.
Bigger than a big truck.
And that takes proper nutrition. If you're concerned your child isn't getting adequate nutrition, ask your doctor about PediaSure. It's an excellent source of protein, vitamins, and minerals children need for healthy growth.
Big as the sky.
Kid-approved PediaSure. Complete balanced nutrition to help kids grow.
As strong as a bone restrictor.
When you have a miserable cold, you can't wait to get relief on its way. And you won't have to. With new Alka Seltzer Plus Ready Relief Tabs. They do what others can't. They dissolve in your mouth, so they're instantly ready to rush relief, breaking up your worst nasal congestion and relieving your sneezing and runny nose fast. Why wait for relief when there's new Alka Seltzer Plus Ready Relief Tabs?
Come in now for TGI Friday's double glazed ribs. They're basted with our rich Tennessee glaze, then finished with Friday's tangy barbecue sauce. Tear into double glazed ribs. Only at Fridays.
Note to self, keep this hair looking great. Seek professional help without professional price.
Try TRESemme Vitamin E Moisture-Rich Shampoo and Conditioner. TRESemme's unique Vitamin E professional formula means your hair is healthy looking, vibrant, and twice as shiny.
Funds are short, but brain is big, and hair is shiny.
Professional, affordable, TRESemme.
TRESemme, ooh la la.
Thursday, and all new friends, and a special birthday message from Uncle Joey.
Say something to Emma on her 18th birthday.
18, huh?
Joey, no!
Then a sexy new Scrubs with a perfect date. Except Elliot's pesky boyfriend, Scott Foley. Much better. Then, he was the voice of Darth Vader, but in Jack's hands...
Lady! Lady!
James Earl Jones on an all-new Will and Grace, followed by an all-new Coupling and an all-new ER. NBC Thursday.
Another rollback. Dares to save you even more. Walmart. Always low prices. Always.
Keep skin silky all winter long with Jergen's Ultra Healing Lotion. Nourishing moisturizers make even the roughest skin so smooth you can't help but show it off. Jergen's Ultra Healing Lotion, now available in new Intense Moisture formula.
It's the reason we went for the 3-bedroom house.
It's how we knew life could change in an instant.
It's how I knew I could take the job out west.
The results of your pregnancy test are too important to depend on anything less than EPT. Nothing is more accurate. EPT is 99% accurate, and its unique design makes it easy to determine what your future holds.
It's how I first knew Benjamin was coming.
EPT. So accurate, we call it the error-proof test.
You might get no cards, you might get paid.
Uno.
Also from the makers of Uno, Boomo. It's a blast to play.
Hey, little M&Ms. Wow, great costumes. What are you guys, like 4 or 5?
46.
All right, yeah, okay. Here you go.
You don't understand, Slick. We're here for the party.
Yeah, that's cute.
Put your hand down.
Ow.
Now there's a new way to freshen the whole room. Introducing Glade Plug-in Scented Oil Fan. The first air freshener that uses an ultra-quiet fan to actively circulate your favorite fragrance throughout the entire room.
There. Isn't that better?
New Glade Plug-in Scented Oil Fan.
Freshness with a spin. Plug it in, plug it in.
S.C. Johnson, a family company.
At Strawbridge's fall sale right now. Find great savings store-wide on new fall fashions. Save more with your extra 20% off bonus coupons. Only at Strawbridge's.
Excuse me, we're in a hurry and I tip well.
Oh, how well?
10%?
10%? We tip 15%.
16%.
Excuse me, 18.5.
I'll tip 20%.
So we'll tip 30%.
And we'll bust our own table.
That's my table.
Our customers know the importance of shopping around. Because at Progressive.com, you can get our price for car insurance, plus the rates of other big-name companies. You could save hundreds. Check out Progressive today.
Strawbridge's fall sale is right now. Find great savings on new shearling styles and hot new tall boots. Save more with your extra 20% off bonus coupons. Only at Strawbridge's.
What does a day free of depression feel like? Fill in the blanks. I woke up this morning
Ready to go.
feeling good.
Headed to work.
And I totally
felt like myself.
People who suffer from depression are saying PaxilCR makes a difference in how they feel all day. Depression usually feels like a persistent low mood, loss of interest, and often some of these other symptoms lasting at least 2 weeks. Only PaxilCR's special coating allows for a controlled release for continuous relief all day. Prescription PaxilCR is not for everyone. People taking MAOIs or thyroidazine should not take PaxilCR. Tell your doctor what medicines you're taking. Side effects may include nausea, diarrhea, constipation, dizziness, sweating, tremor, sexual side effects, injury, yawn, abnormal vision, or sleepiness. Don't stop taking PaxilCR before talking to your doctor, since symptoms may result from stopping the medicine or from your original condition. Ask your doctor why PaxilCR helps so many people feel
Like me again.
Lipton Sides presents Recipe for the Exotic with Thai sesame noodles, blended with soy and the taste of lemongrass. Lipton Sides. Now that's an exotic side to dinner.
What's that? Am I seeing what I think I'm seeing? Is that my mom using Johnson's? That's right, because new Johnson's Soft Lotion is for grown-ups. It leaves your skin feeling baby soft. And you know how that feels, don't you? Oh, yes. Mm-hmm. You bet. New Johnson Soft Lotion. Now grown-ups can have baby soft skin, too.
We started out with one cat, then things changed.
Can we keep him?
Hello? Who are you?
That's when we discovered no matter how many cats you have, an odor-free home starts with Arm & Hammer, like Super Scoop. That's because only Arm & Hammer litters have the odor-absorbing power of Arm & Hammer baking soda, which doesn't just cover up odors, it eliminates them. Arm & Hammer Super Scoop or long-lasting Crystal Blend. So, no matter how many cats you wind up with, an odor-free home starts with Arm & Hammer.
My hair color does something yours doesn't. Because it's new Garnier Nutrisse, the only hair color that nourishes with grapeseed and avocado oils. Rich, radiant color. Because nourished hair means better color. New Garnier Nutrisse. Trust them. They're experts.
Is it me? Am I that difficult? I know what I want. Does that make me a bad person? Not at Lenscrafters. I want cool frames, lightweight lenses. All they said was, sure, no problem. I mean, if I don't like them, you gotta let me bring them back. Of course, they said. It's our guarantee. Now, how often does that happen?
Lenscrafters, you'll see, we're better. Now all lenses are 50% off.
NBC Friday, a Katie Couric primetime special. Elizabeth Smart breaks her silence for the first time.
Has this changed you in any way?
And her parents talk about the abduction and return of their daughter. Bringing Elizabeth Home, a Katie Couric primetime special. Friday, 10/9 Central, only on NBC. NBC Tonight, the first of 5 all-new West Wings.
We've been in secret negotiations with North Korea about their nuclear program.
A plea for asylum threatens the free world.
This guy defects, everybody goes home.
Then, on an all-new Law & Order, ripped from the headlines, a big-time music star with a dead girl in his apartment.
Uncontrollable rage.
And wait till you hear his defense.
Stand back and watch the explosion.
Ed, The West Wing, and Law & Order, all new NBC Tonight.
The new 20, The Policing of America, NBC 19 News Tonight.
On the next Montel.
I have a brother. They say he committed suicide.
No, he didn't. Somebody helped him.
If it's Wednesday, it must be time for psychic Sylvia Browne.
One night he came in like an orb of light right before you went to sleep.
This time, she's solving mysteries with the help from the afterlife.
What is that large dog over there?
That's my Nikki.
Plus,
do I have ghosts, spirits?
How will Sylvia explain the images that appear in every one of Christie's photos? Sylvia Browne Wednesday on the next Montel.
Today at 2, only on NBC 10.
Keeping up with messes just got easier. Thanks to the power and convenience of the Vision Bagless line of vacuums from Dirt Devil. Like the Dirt Devil Ultra Vision Bagless. It's loaded with 12 amps of maximum vacuum power. And a powerful turbo tool which removes dirt and pet hair. Or get the Dirt Devil Vision Bagless. With swivel caster wheels for easy pushing and turning. Plus, power you can see. Get a Vision, because nothing escapes the power of a Dirt Devil.